Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing it my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me.
What's up, you guys? It's your boy King J 2003 Game Master here, and when I woke up this morning, my package came in. So we'll see what's in the box. As y'all can see, this is my punching bag right here. And it looks kind of cool. That Japanese right there. It looks kind of awesome. I have to get set up later. And there's some more stuff right there in the box for it. So I'm gonna show it to you guys later about what it looks like. As you guys can see, I put it together and it looks kind of cool, you know. The punching bag looks kind of awesome right here. Move that box out of the way. Yep, it looks nice. It says Game Pal, yeah, something like that. Get Pal. Yep, look kind of cool. And that's it for today's video. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.